Hey everybody, it's meteorologist Brad Panovich with your Ski Southeast update. What a great stretch of weather we've had. But boy, is it cold. Temperatures below zero, single digits. I was watching a lot of the webcams across the Southeast. It was great to see the snowmakers take advantage of this cold weather and really crank out a lot of snow. The good news is there's a couple more days of snowmaking opportunities before we see a little bit of a warm-up. Here's the situation. The Arctic air beginning to relax and kind of move out. It's releasing its grip on most of the eastern half of the country. But we've got this weird system. I don't even want to call it a clipper system, but it's a little fast-moving disturbance that still has plenty of Arctic air with it that is going to provide a nice burst of snow for West Virginia, Maryland, and parts of Virginia. Now, the good news is snowmaking can continue as well Friday as this little system passes. Now, I don't think we'll see much snow down for the North Carolina, Tennessee resorts, but I wouldn't be shocked either to see a flake or two of snow. You could see this moving through on Saturday morning and kind of pushing off to the east and then flattening out. The next part of the weather story is going to be this mile there, which unfortunately is going to be heading towards the southeast. You can see where the Arctic air was by Sunday. It's going to be warm enough for rain. So talk about some messy stuff going on going into Sunday. So sad news. We're going to see a warm-up going into Sunday and Monday. But before that happens, we're actually going to get some snow. Let's zoom in and show you. You can see this system. This is what I talked about. There might be a little bit down in North Carolina. Winter Place is definitely going to get some. Timberline, Canaan Valley, Wisp, and Snowshoe will get clobbered pretty good with this. But again, a nice little event here. You can see even into Virginia, we're going to see some snowfall. The good news, again, is it's like I said before, there's going to be cold enough for making snow as well. So this is not bad for the next 48 hours, really through Saturday. It's really Sunday when things start to warm back up. So as we look at the forecast, I'm going to show you the 5-day forecast here across the southeast. You can see I do have natural snow on Friday for West Virginia, Virginia, and Maryland. Man-made snow making possible at night, Friday and Saturday night, even in North Carolina. But then notice we kind of get into a period in both locations here across the southeast where snowmaking's not going to be likely. That's mainly because of a warm-up. But don't worry. We're going to see the cold make a comeback, and I'll show you why. You know, this Arctic air stuck around for a while, and now it's starting to move out, and we're going to get replaced with a pretty mild ridge here across the southeast. I'm going to pause this right here. You can see the middle of next week, lots of warm air. This is the death ridge for skiers here in the southeast. So very warm air moving into the southeast. But look at that little system coming down on Thursday into Friday. There's signs we're going to see another shot of cold air come down. Certainly nowhere near as cold as what we just saw, but the potential for maybe some cold temperatures moving back in. In fact, if we look at the temperatures real quickly, I'll show you the warm air heading our way for Sunday into early next week. Look at that warm air invading, but what catches my eyes is this up in here. Arctic air making a little bit of a comeback. So there's going to be another one of these big Arctic fronts heading our way. Ahead of it, warm air gets pulled up, but on the back side, we're going to see the cold air return. So Sunday through Wednesday looks really warm, really even through Thursday, but watch what happens by Thursday night. You see that cold front making a comeback here? That cold front sweeps in by Friday morning and pushes into the southeast, and if you look carefully, we're back to cold by next Saturday. So this little warm snap isn't going to last very long, basically from this Sunday through the middle of next week, and then boom, we're going to see that pattern flip back to cold. So if you're planning a ski trip for not this weekend, but next weekend even, both weekends are looking pretty good right now. It's the middle of the week we're going to see the warm-up. So don't be deterred by the mild air heading our way, which is often the case this season. Wild swings have occurred, and this is another one heading our way. Hope you're having a great Thursday into Friday, and as always, if you're heading to the mountains, enjoy it and think snow.